Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with this green glittery cut crease look for St. Patrick's Day. I'm not sure about everybody else, but here in VA we do get turned for St. Patrick's Day in downtown Richmond with all the bars in downtown Petersburg. Everybody kind of bar hops and just has a good time. And as you also know, the theme of St. Patrick's Day is green. If you're not wearing green, you get pinched. So me and my girls, Nerdy Girl Makeup and Makeup by Marisol, have teamed up to give you guys 3 looks so that you don't violate on St. Patrick's Day, and also so that you look fabulous while you are out and about partying. Remember that down in the description box is going to be the links to both of their videos, so don't forget to go check them out and sell them. Hey, you know, hey cha, I'm from Netta channel. Hey cha, how you doing? I like your look too. Mwah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hop on in this tutorial.
So I've already primed my legs with MAC Paint Pot in the color Painterly and a white eyeshadow. Now I am taking the color Urban from my Urban Decay Electric palette, and this is going to serve as my transition shade. So I'm blending that out like kinda at the crease and then above it as well, just making sure I blend that out really well because it is a very pigmented color. Now I'm going back in with the color Chaos, and that is a really bright blue, so the same thing goes here. Make sure that you blend that out really well, and I'm going directly in the crease with that, just making sure that I blend it in very well with the purple. Now I am taking that MAC Paint Pot that I used to prime my lids, and I'm just carving out my cut crease, and this is going to just help for my green to pop back out, and also to make sure that my area is nice and clean and crisp. And now I'm going in with the color Freak from my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm just packing that on. This is going to serve as the base color for my glitter. So I'm going to take my Duo Clear Lash Glue, put a little bit on my hand. That's what I'm going to use as the base for my glitter because I left my base at the shop. So I'm just going to put that on in a very thin coat. Then I'm going to take my finely milled lime green glitter that I got from Walmart, and I am just going to pack that right on top of that adhesive. And you guys see it's stuck and you can't really see anything through it, and that is because of that base. So I did go along my lash line with that same color. I'm going in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm going in with a black liner. This one is Marc Jacobs, and it's just because I felt like I lost the definition in my eyes from that lower lash color. And I'm just going to take my Dolce K Lippy from Kylie Cosmetics, and then my Mama Star lip gloss over top of that. The lashes that I'm using are from TopEchelonLLC.com. These are the Style Regal, and the way I put them on easily is I just pop them on in the middle first, and then I tack on both of the ends, and this just helps me to get it very, very close to my natural lashes. So now I'm going in with some lower lash mascara. I use the Colossal Lash from Maybelline, and of course I set my face with my all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys were able to follow. Make sure you don't forget to check down in the description box to see the other girls' videos. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.